My sister always makes dinner late. My husband works at his dad's farm. My son likes to ride a horse. My favorite food is pizza. My dad traveled abroad to Cartagena. I would like to buy a new car. Every morning I go to the gym to lose weight. My best friend has green eyes and brown eyes. For Christmas, I would have a party with my whole family. My son wants me to give him a dog. I finished clean the house. My father is watching the news. My favorite series is Game of Thrones. My son likes to see Pocoyo and the Peppa Pig. On vacation, we will travel San Andres Island. Thank you.